Welcome to my channel. Xfinity Wi-Fi running slow? Fix speed issues fast 2026 guide. 1. Restart Xfinity modem and router. Turn off your Xfinity modem and router. Wait 60 seconds, then turn them back on. This refreshes the connection and often improves speed instantly. 2. Check Xfinity internet outage. Make sure there is no Xfinity service outage in your area using the Xfinity app or website. 3. Test internet speed. Run a speed test near the router to compare actual speed with your Xfinity plan. 4. Move closer to the router. Walls, distance, and furniture can reduce Wi-Fi speed. Place your router in a central, open location. 5. Disconnect unused devices. Too many connected devices can slow down Wi-Fi. Disconnect devices you are not using. 6. Change Wi-Fi band, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz. Use 5 GHz for faster speeds at short range and 2.4 GHz for better coverage. 7. Update modem or router firmware. Update your Xfinity modem or router firmware through the Xfinity app to fix bugs and improve performance. 8. Check Ethernet cable quality. Old or damaged Ethernet cables can limit speed. Use Cat5e or Cat6 cables for best results. 9. Scan for Wi-Fi interference. Nearby networks and devices can cause interference. Change Wi-Fi channel in router settings if needed. 10. Contact Xfinity support. If speeds are still slow, contact Xfinity support to check your line or upgrade your internet plan. Thanks for watching.